if it's the B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorce. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.
Alright guys, so I basically a boy RonDaGreat same way, but the video where you see the reason why you see Rick in the video because him did do a video from way before, but him quit YouTube now and start the music. So him have the video I did one post it and him never want it go to waste. So him give me it and say, you know, I could have post it and stuff. So you know, just entertain me a little bit. I say me I go post it on my channel. So if anything, want to go over him Vivo channel and him YouTube channel, like him have music, him start the music and stuff. So Martin go over there, go subscribe and him music them soon drop. So you just hold out for a little bit, you see me? So I don't want to talk too much, you know. I'm just getting at the video and done. So yeah.
Welcome on YouTube, you don't know your boy Mortal aka RonDaGreat. We're there with another prank on Ranil, you see me, and then this was hard to do because Ranil keep on the social media, them on now which get broke him out. But yeah, so like we're gonna prank him and tell him say I'm kinda homeless, you see me? Tell him say I wanna family with in a fight and then keep me on for a couple days, you see me? So I asked him if I could pull up, you see me, you know them with. So I'm gonna see what am I gonna say, you see me? So like I did I try do it like the 1 o'clock them tell me come know same school over like 1 o'clock, no, like 12 o'clock on Friday or something like that. So it's like him not answer him phone. And then the man keep on a delete the social media platform them as my system could get to him. So like when my system come back, dog, why? But when my system forward, like I link him and I say, yo bro, some effort just went down. So I say what happened? So I say me and father and him say where? You see me? So I call him after that, you see me? So when I go say everything what happened, just big up on yourself. Pow! Alright. You hear me good? Oh yeah, the shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you.
You kinda sound, bro. So you can talk upload, please.
Yeah, I hear you.
Oh yeah. Alright, actually dog. Like I finish the vaccine video today, dog. Right?
Yeah.
Me get a SD card, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me get a SD card. The video save on the SD card, cause you know some my phone storage full now, right? Yeah, brother. So you can believe say I lend the SD card to my cousin, bro. Cause him did want transfer something to it, so him could have sent to somebody. So I say no problem. The man delete the video half fight, bro.
You know what probably happened? We know them something. They say like when it go in a new device, it always asks to farm you.
No. No. I know this, bro. Cause I know about SD card a long time, but I know this, bro. But literally, the man say him never know say no else. They dep on the card, right? After him done them, I do him think same thing. Say everything was empty. So him delete, but him end up delete everything on fight. So me get mad now. And fling my laptop in him face, brother. Right? Brother, my dear brother, yo, you know from how long I wanted that video there, though. To finish that video there, brother. I'ma get it finished, brother, and the man literally delete the thing. I know the man said to it again. I just want a video, man. Him no. I just want to look at idiot video, and I fear go on, so. So you know that cheat me out, dog. Yo, yeah, break up in our way. Yo.
You try checking out the recycle thing?
I did. Nothing is there, bro. Like the thing literally brand new, dog. I thought that this about today. Last night I literally get the thing from a friend, dog. You see me? So me I tell you, dog. And then after me and him like kind of fight-ish, but whenever I did that fight, really. You know like you that when I start to sit out, that they start at my brother. And then some auntie I try part with, you don't know grandma can't chill coming like that. Grandma can't chill coming like that. But my auntie they try part with that, you see me? So brother, my next cousin did a try part the thing too. But it's like everybody I say I'm me wrong.
Brother, you see why? No. I mean, the SD card is a good idea in case your phone damage or anything, you have it on your SD card, but nobody SD card again, brother, unless you're on them.
Yo bro, and then let you know, after the war, right? Remember, my cousin start stay there for a while now. You see, a man start stay there for a while. Me have to find somewhere for cool down for 2 days. That them say. So I say, wait, you keep me out of my own house for a guess. You know them way there? Them I say, no. No, but brother, like, them I say, wait the shit, me I come. Oh, me I say, them I say, like, them I say, me too impulsive, me. Brother, literally, brother, them say me need to leave the house for cool off. Because if the two of we are in the house, we are got there at each other next. So me for left the house for cool off. So, me try, so I'm gonna send out in, bro. I call you, but then.
I got somebody, your friend there was?
Him no, listen the thing now, I'm finished now. Like when no a service me a chat to you upon by the way. When them say that now, I cuss about it and I say no problem. First thing I do, I call Lucky. A dog, I link your dog, but the dog never answer. So I link you, but you never answer. So I check your status, you say you delete WhatsApp on them something there. So I say, oh shit. So right now, I don't know what I'm gonna do, brother. You see me? And right now, something they shot me. Brother, I have no way, brother. I literally only have $120, dog. You see me? That can't do nothing, brother. You see me, dog? But me say me I try call you. Even somebody go call your mother, dog, and ask her if I could afford up there and bill. You see me? For the 2 days, then, brother. Brother, you ready? You want someone look like a croft right now, dog, with the piece of scandal bag on my foot, brother. Brother, you have a little shop there, right? But me and the woman who own the shop asked me and I son a friend. But have you so I go there and say I want trust her credit, so she give me the credit for trust. So I get to put on the service. Yeah. So I did somebody right now a bill, brother. But I can't bill them. Them say I can't stay over there for the night, brother, cause it up to her husband. And her husband now come home. You see me? So I say mother call you before the curfew start. You see me? Come over there, well, when I ask someone if I could have bill the dog until at least even if until tomorrow morning, dog.
I'm trying to talk to her.
So you can ask her for me?
Yeah.
Alright.
Facebook.
Huh?
Nude face.
With you? What I'm thinking face, what you say?
No, they say you're playing computer and I'm face.
Yeah, brother, they say that, brother. It's switch for the one bugger USB them there and the HDMI card them there, the port them right there so. At that part they catch him there face gritty now. Brother, you can't tell me say you delete my video, dog, and then right now like yo, I actually even know, brother. You know, say me and people running a good already, dog. You see me? I say before I jump on a taxi and just pull up on your house, so that I say I want to give you a call, bro. But they never did that answer straight, dog. You see me? So I did have to go and build the people them shop until I see your father online, dog. Yeah, dog. Brother, so you chat to mom, see me, dog. She gone?
Yeah.
Shit. Oh shit. I'm could show up. I could just show up just out of the blues. Yeah, look how you dog. Should I say why whenever so yeah, she not have service on her phone or nothing. Oh shit.
On a weekend time.
Yeah. Yeah, me I hear, bro.
Know if this first always come. You know the card, right? Well, like
Oh
slow.
yeah. Oh yeah. Tell me already, remember? That's why. Oh shit. But if not, I just tomorrow I want to try bill for that. Cause like, mother link Gerard, brother, but him not answer for him phone neither. Honestly and truly, him did really want to get to, bro. Cause if I did ask him, he would have been forward, no hesitation, you see me? Him did want to get to, cause his mother love me after, you see me?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I see. I'm gonna keep her sleep. Oh yeah, I see. And that level?
Just start to from another.
Uh, job more. Okay.
So guys, the man basically say mother just reach and I'm gonna ask her, yo, I wanna know if mother plan this from last week or a week before last one to the two. But I try to do it today earlier because I know say on Friday film school over like early. So when 1 o'clock come, I try to link him and he would answer dog. So we just catch him right now. You know them way there. But I don't know how him fall for this though. Like yo. I wonder when mother gonna say still because I talk to her now about it, you see me? So hopefully she say forward. You see me? If she say forward, I must say it's a prank. No, oh God forbid something. I just hear mother say like, he mute the call. So I only hear your mother just say, so why him get kicked out time out? Yeah.
No, because we do a video, right? And he did them on the SD card. And this you come and delete the video. So you get angry and I saw the file starts. Yeah. So do you that way?
Hello?
Yes?
Auntie.
Why didn't you get that?
No, like, my cousin delete a video out of my phone, out of my SD card, and me and him catch up over it, right? So, like, after we catch up now, let me say, my grandmother, my auntie, I say, I'm too impulsive, so I need to, like, leave the house and go cool down for a couple of days.
So where you at today?
She's at the house.
So where you at now?
I'm at a shop.
Just try to go back to your house and back to your auntie.
Alright.
No one here first. I can't just take whatever. Me and one here.
Auntie, is a prank, auntie, is a prank. Is a prank, auntie. Auntie is a prank. Yo! What?
Got him! Got him!
I press my mind and tell me say, yeah, but them man say, no Rick stay already, you know, my name really them.
No, but watch you know, remember, you know, I'm not too prank you like that, you know, so you wouldn't even know when me I go prank you, because I'm not really prank you like that.
I really go ask my mother like free,
I know you would ask her, you see me? Yeah, but you get pranked, dog.
Yeah, they know me already, bro.
I know, bro, you see me? And if something like that for him, I wouldn't even call, bro, but let's pull up same time. I swear.
You get me quick up on the road. You get me.
No, but watch here now, dog. You know how much things we have to go through to make that prank you come true, dog. Like, and at my house, me there, now. You see me?
Oh, did I call her something?
No, if I was at my house, I would just video call it. I'm not at my house. You see me?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bros.
Yeah.
Me I hear you.
Why not tell me say, yo, my friend, put my channel like in a reaction channel, cause like my mind tell me say, yo, maybe more consistent. Like you drop me hard in reaction.
Yeah. That can work for true still.
But then again, my mind tell me say, yo, a channel when I grow with that type of video, then I don't want to switch it around and make anything fun, but okay.
I didn't even know I'm frustrated, dog, because alright. No. I wish I did get for the video, dog. I never get for do it though. I was saying, you didn't even know the hell I got through for do this a prank upon you. You see me? Yeah, dog. What you say to the YouTube?
I don't know this. I'm not for sure too.
Brother, the man thing in the description. Just go subscribe to him, you see me? Yeah, I run up in video them. Yeah, dog. Yeah, not late. So, it looks simple, but I swear, it did hard for do, brother. Like, you see me? Yeah, it did very hard. Like, Ranil, I don't know which girl broke him heart, but the man ever delete WhatsApp, you see me? But yeah, I look short now, that chick that, but yeah, can't chase short, you see me? So, yeah. But does I make this go and run out even more, dog? I only hope when I send this to my team, I only hope it maintain the same quality as when I see, dog. It's beautiful.
When this meant to be, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married the money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.